Welcome to Leco Academy. In this video we are going to handle a question under functions. So this question, it came in 2017 paper 1 internal. Now here the statement they're saying the functions f and g are defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 1. Find g inverse of x, b fg of x, c fg of -3. So to start with, we are going to start with number A. So for number A, they want us to find the g inverse of x. So to find g inverse of x, we are going to get the equation of g of x. So our equation, that is g of x is equal, so here we have 5x minus 1. Now when finding the inverse, this expression here, we equate it to y. So here where there is g of x, we are going to put y. So y is equal to 5x minus 1. So after equating y to this expression, we then make x the subject of the formula. So to make x the subject of the formula, this -1, it will cross the equal sign. As it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So this will be y plus 1 is equal to 5x. We divide both sides by 5. Even here, 5. So this 5 and this 5, they'll cancel. We are remaining with y plus 1 over 5 is equal to x. Now, after making x the subject of the formula, we then replace, or we swap. Here where there is y, we put x, and here we put y. So this will be x plus 1 over 5 is equal to y. Now, this becomes the inverse or g inverse of x. So our answer, therefore, we write g inverse of x is equal to x plus 1 over 5. The next question. So the next question here, that is fg of x. Now fg of x, these are composite functions. So for number B, so if we are finding fg of x, this means that we have to start with the function of f. So the letter that starts, that's the equation we are getting for that letter. So here that is f, so we are getting the equation for f of x, which is 2x plus 1. Now what follows, that is g of x. So this means that we are going to get the equation of g of x and replace it where there is x. So this will be 2 open brackets, so this is 5x minus 1 plus 1. This 2 multiplies everything inside. So 2 multiplied by 5x, this will be 10x. 2 multiplied by -1, this will be -2 plus 1. So this is fg of x. We can simplify this one. So here we have 10x, -2 plus 1. We subtract and get the sign of a bigger number. So when the signs are different, we subtract and get the sign of a bigger number. So this will give us -1. This becomes fg of x. So for number B, our answer, that is fg of x is equal to, so that is 10x minus 1. The last question for number C, so fg of negative 3. So fg of negative 3, we are using the equation of fg of x. So this is the equation that we are going to use to find the fg of negative 3. So this is fg of x is equal to, so our fg of x, that is 10x minus 1. So when we are asked to find the fg of negative 3, this means that where there is x, we are going to put negative 3. So this is 10, open bracket, negative 3 minus 1. 10 multiplied by negative 3, this will be negative 30 minus 1. So negative 30 minus 1. So here the signs are the same. So when we have same signs, we add and maintain the same sign. So this will give us negative 31. This is the fg of negative 3. So our answer here, fg of negative 3 is equal to negative 31. So this is how we handle questions under functions.